Hey, 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 hey.
What? What? What?
Hurry up, 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 hurry up. Turn the blow dryer
Ah!
off. Turn the blow dryer off. Hurry up. You hear that? Turn it off. You hear that? The blow dryer. Turn it off.
Why?
Just turn it off. Hurry up.
What?
Don't that sound much better?
It's up to your parents.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
What the fuck you mean? What the fuck is wrong?
Why would you wake me up?
Why would you keep me up with that shit?
Willis, we already had this discussion. You knew I slept with my blow dryer when you first met me.
And when I first met you, I found a way to get rid of that motherfucker.
Yeah, and there it is on the floor, broke. Cause you want to be headboard knocking and nightstand diver and jumping and back flipping and shit, and it's broke.
Well, we got to do something about this because your blow dryer is fucking with my dreams.
My what?
Your blow dryer is fucking with my dreams. It's in my dreams.
What's so important about your damn dreams that you got to be disturbed by my blow dryer?
It's disturbing me. Let me explain something. I had a dream last night. Now I'm about to break you on something proper like, right? No, next thing I'm gonna freaking know, out of nowhere, boom, blow dryer is got me. I'm riding a fucking blow dryer, mowing the lawn in the yard. Who the?
How do you?
What you mean? How do I? I wouldn't do that if you turned that motherfucker off. Not only would you turn it off, do you know what the problem is after that? Do you know what the problem is after that? When I finally get into sleep, then your goddamn blow dryer wakes me up mowing the goddamn lawn. Do you know what else bothers me after that? The goddamn light. No, what?
You told me to turn on the light. I had the light off tonight so I could use my blow dryer, and I was asleep. I was asleep in peace. I done took my melatonin. I was laying down. I was on. You want a couple of these gummies?
Look at my goddamn.
You want a couple?
Them shit's bloodshot red right now. You know why?
That ain't from sleep. That's from that shit you got in that drawer over there. That's what the fuck that is. Maybe if you go in that kitchen and ate you some Fruity Pebbles or some Cinnamon Toast Crunch and shit, you'll be alright. That ain't from sleep.
Goddamn blow dryer.
That ain't from the blow dryer. It's from blow. It's from blow. But it ain't from no damn dryer.
What you trying to say about dryer something? You trying to say about?
Nigga, you look like Smokey the goddamn bear. You talking about some blow dryer?
Motherfucking blow dryer to keep me up, blow my eyelids
It
back.
prevents forest fires. I thought you'd appreciate that.
Prevents forest fires. 90% of people who sleep with blow dryers shit burn their face off. Go ahead, you gonna wake up in the morning looking like Muggsy. Your whole shit gonna be just melted on one side. You gonna be like Two-Face from Batman. Go ahead, keep fucking around with it. Keep fucking around with it. All that motherfucking...
It's Joker, but... No, wait,
No,
not Joker.
see? That's why you don't know. You see, that's the shit that... You know why you don't know? Because you can't hear shit. You can't motherfucking... Your whole shit gonna melt off.
You woke me up.
Watch. Your hair is gonna shrink.
Why you had to bring my hair... Ain't nothing wrong with my hair.
That shit gonna look like a heat wrap on a tailpipe.
But you... Oh, you look disrespectful bastard. If you don't climb your ass back over there on your side of the
Just
king
keep the
and go to sleep. Leave me in my goddamn blow dryer
Can I go
alone.
to sleep first? Huh?
If I let you fall asleep first, can I turn...
Can I go to sleep first?
Go to sleep, Willis.
Just stop calling me. I'm gonna just call my name out and shit like
Your
that.
name is Willis. It's Willis right now.
Can I go to sleep?
Shit, it ain't Sweet Dick Willis when you talking shit.
Well, I don't care what you want to call it. What shit you gonna touch a little bit? That's me. Alright, can I just go to sleep first? Can I go? Hey, can I go to sleep?
Good night, Willis.
Shit sound like a newborn. Where's this motherfucker just crying for no damn reason? That shit.
What is going on?
That's all I want.
Don't worry. I'll return to roughly the same condition.
Ah, yeah.
You take anything to stay healthy? Stronger than an apple a day. Is you okay?
You